Hi, this is Tony Poulos at TM Forum Live here in Nice. I have with me today Gadi Solotorevsky, who is the now CTO of cVidya in Israel, one of the leading revenue assurance companies in fraud, and also the head of the revenue assurance program for I think about 10 years now at the TM Forum. Gadi, great to catch up again. Tell me what's happening in terms of revenue assurance with the TM Forum and your particular program's work.
Okay, Tony, it's great to be here with you. I think that we are seeing a lot of changes in revenue assurance from the point of view of the program. Many things that happened last year and many things that will happen next year. If we speak about the past, last year, we released a new maturity model for revenue assurance, which is very important. In a survey that we did, the previous maturity model was used by about 50% of the companies in the industry, which is amazing. But it was a very old maturity model. It was built about 7 years ago. Revenue assurance was then completely different. So we had the need to update that model. And in the process of updating that model, we have about 7 operators that were reviewing the old model, the new model, looking at the differences, at the added value, and we released a month ago the new maturity model, so it's something very important. And a maturity model is not just something that will give you a score on your maturity, but it will give you a roadmap how to advance to a greater degree of maturity.
But going back to the maturity model itself, how does that work? A lot of people hear about maturity model, but they don't understand how you measure your maturity as an operator.
Okay, so you look at different dimensions. For example, processes, organization, technology, and you break them down into subcategories, and you have plenty of questions that you can do yourself. You evaluate yourself, very simple questions with answers, and after you get all that, you get a score. You can use that score to compare yourself with others, to compare yourself with last year, but also to see what you need to do in order to improve that score. So that's the roadmap.
Okay, and where is revenue insurance practice heading in the next 12 months? You said there was going to be some changes.
Well, I'm sure that you know that our business changed.
Yes.
It was voice, now it's data.
Yes.
The role of revenue assurance is to ensure the business. So we are looking now at transition from looking mainly at voice to look mainly on data, digital services, and how to protect them. And no, in the past you said you have a huge volume of information that you need to ensure when you're looking on data.
Yes.
Now you start to look at data, sorry, I said data on voice, now you're starting to look on data. The volume of information is 10, 100 times more. Now you need to look on that. You need to use new technologies, big data technologies in order to get there. So everything is coming together to ensure really where your business is going. From the point of view of the TM Forum team, we are also doing a big change. Until now, we focus on what you need to do for doing revenue assurance. This year we said we will move from the what to the how to do those things, right, to give practical guide to the members, and I think it's working. It's the plan for the next year.
Well, I think that's exactly the way to go. And of course, with the Internet of Things and all those devices we're hearing about being connected, that's going to be a lot more data and of course a lot more assurance required. Gadi, great to have you here and great to have you heading up that program yet again. Thanks for being with me today.
Thank you, my pleasure.
Thank you.